This is such a beautiful song. And do you like option 1 or option 2? So for those of us who know the chords, sometimes it's so much easier to just play chords and not worry about that melody line or making the song beautiful. We just kind of get used to playing the same old chords in every single song. And I'm here to kind of beautify this song for you and just show you little things that you can do to make this song sort of come alive and just sound beautiful to the ears. So we're going to start out with the introduction. And the chords here are C, A minor, you could just play A here, and then D minor and F. So you can either play octaves, just one key, or you can play arpeggios or the flowy style, like this. So whatever level you're at, anything will sound beautiful, trust me, as long as you get the melody line with your right hand. All right, so those notes are, and that pattern repeats over and over again. Okay, it's not that hard. So we have the E, F, G, C, and then you have E, F, G, E, and then you play that another time. C, E, and then you switch to that next chord. So see how you repeat this pattern twice, and on that second time you hit the E, you switch to the new chord. So I will show you. I'm going to play it kind of slow for you. A minor. So as you can tell, the switch can be a little hard. So if you want to play this introduction, I really suggest playing it slow before you move to the actual speed of the song, because it gets pretty fast. All right, so now that I showed you those notes and you're literally playing the same thing, I'm going to go through the entire introduction and just play it in actual speed for you to see how I would play it. So. You go into the verse right away. All right, so as you can tell, when it's fast, it's actually really hard to transition. I myself had a hard time I was constantly watching my left hand and constantly watching my right hand, and it's kind of hard to kind of know exactly where to switch and do it in a timely manner. So I would definitely suggest doing it slow and then getting faster with this introduction. Now you can play this exact pattern throughout the entire verse and the entire chorus. However, I'm gonna attempt to do that, but because I am soloing and playing, it kind of makes it really hard. So if you have a soloist and you're playing this, keep playing this exact pattern throughout the entire verse. I'm gonna attempt to, but I don't think I will. I think I'll just kind of include it in some parts. So I'm gonna start off with the last bit of the introduction here. I can't get way into the chorus. It's just such a beautiful song. Anyway, okay, back to the verse. I wanted to kind of play it through and then show you exactly what I did. Sometimes I did go ahead and add that transition melody just because sometimes it just feels too empty to kind of keep playing the chords, especially at the end. I can't get enough. I can't walk away. You saw me doing that. I just kind of like randomly just decided to add that in. Now what you can do actually, if you really want, is you can keep your hand on these keys. How I can keep my right hand literally on these keys all the time. For example, I have the C here and then I have the G here. It's just gonna sound good no matter what I play, which chord I play with my left hand. If I keep my right hand on these notes the entire time, it'll sound good. So the benefit of keeping your right hand here is that you can always catch this melody easier. So let's say you're playing these notes anyway. It's easy to add in the melody. Whoops. Let's say you're always playing these keys anyway. Doesn't it make it so much easier if you just keep your hand here? If you ever need to add on those notes, you totally can. So I actually love that idea, keeping the hand right here. All right, so another thing that I'm adding on to the song is that I'm adding a little bit of flowy. So sometimes if I just don't want to press the octaves, I'll add a little bit of the flowy style in here and it makes it just kind of come alive. Overall, I do want the verse to be a little more quiet and just low sounding. I don't want a lot of like high frequencies yet. Just kind of want to keep it nice and quiet like that. So that's it for the verse, same chords, and then we move into the chorus and it does have the same exact chords. So you got your C. Again, I'm keeping my right hand on that same spot just because I really like this. Okay, so, and then you have the A minor with the left hand, and then you have the D minor, and then the F. Again, I'm keeping my right hand in the same spot. Okay. I'm gonna end off the verse and go into the chorus. No, I can't walk away. I just wanna be where you are. I just wanna be near your heart. There is nothing like your love. There's nothing like your love. And we have a little instrumental here, and you can make it the same as the introduction, or you can kind of play through this chord progression by keeping your right hand on these notes. So going back to that chorus, I want to show you what I did here. So I kept my right hand in this position the entire time. And then you notice that when I wanted to kind of add a little more notes, I did this. So you can kind of mess around with all of these keys, but I just like that effect. It's really powerful actually. So I just keep my hand on that, but then I go up to D, E, and then back. Okay, so that's just kind of what I did along with that flowy style to just make it that style that I did. All right, so we are going to go into the bridge. So after that chorus, there's nothing like your love. There is nothing like your love. So you can play the instrumental. I would keep it really flexible. Whatever you want, you play, honestly. You can do the same exact thing that you did in the introduction. I just kind of keep it simple. That's how I would do it. So again, you can start off really quiet. And press harder and more often on the keys as you get louder. I love you, Jesus, I love you. More often. So the louder you want to get, you just want to press on the keys more often and harder, okay? So that's just kind of the bridge for you. I'm keeping my right hand on that same exact position. If you want, you could switch chords. You could actually physically switch the chords or keep them right here in the G and C position. All right, and then we go back into the chorus or the verse, whatever you want to do. So I'm gonna go through the entire song for you to just see how I would sing it. It's such a beautiful one. Get it. the song however you want. All right, I am playing this song really soon, and I'm really excited to lead with this song. I just think it's such a beautiful one to really encourage people into the presence of God. And if you want to learn more about how to lead people into worship and how to play in those situations where you really don't know what to play and you need some help improvising, go to pianoministrycourse.com, and I share all about my journey as a worship leader and just share little techniques to help you. All right, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.